In this video tutorial, we will discuss Python program to generate quick response code, popularly known as QR code. I have used QR code library, Python program execution using Google Colab online tool. QR code is a machine readable label that can contain information about any products or links. Why QR code is so popular? There are some reasons behind this. It's free and simple to use, reduces typing errors, no software installation is required, and easy to save and share. Let's see the actual Python program to generate QR code. I'm using Google Colab online tool to run Python program. First of all, install QR code package if it is not installed in your environment. Then import QR code class from this package. Then prepare my data variable containing data that we want to store into that QR code. Then execute make method and pass my data variable. This method will encode this content into img variable. Using save method, create MyQRCode.png file, and your file will be saved in the default folder where this program is saved. Let's execute this code. After successful execution of our code, file will be saved here, MyQRCode.png file, which you can download in your local system. And here you can see this is our QR code. Let's verify the content stored in this QR code. Start your QR code scanner app, scan your generated QR code, and you'll be able to see the content stored under this QR code, which you can share with your friends. You can copy that URL and you can visit that website. Thanks for watching.